Guide to Creating Interactive Content on YouTube. YouTube is much more than just a video streaming app. Many people mistake themselves into believing this, whereas YouTube is so much more. It is a platform that allows creators to reach out and interact with viewers and vice versa. And in today's day, this interaction is being made possible by the use of interactive videos. Interactive videos are those kinds of videos that allow the viewer to interact with the content of the video through several different tools. And this is what successful YouTubers are utilizing the most out of. If you want to know how to create interactive content on YouTube, then make sure to stay till the end of this video to know how to do all this. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to make sure you don't miss out on any new videos. With that on the side, here is your complete guide on creating interactive content on YouTube. Intelligent storytelling. Having intelligent storytelling skills is something you will need to master if you wish to have a successful career on YouTube and tell stories the right way. The most important part of your interactive video will be the journey you decide to take your viewers on. A strong story will serve as the foundation of your video, and you can choose something that has a wide audience appeal and doesn't require much of a backstory. A good story is not only going to give your video purpose, it will also make your viewers stick around for all the other content that you have to offer. A strong video is a solid contributor to a video that blows up. Outline the order of videos. Another important step is to outline exactly how many parts your video is going to consist of. Rather than just a single video, your interactive video is going to comprise several videos linked together through annotations. Make sure to string several videos together so that the viewer stays hooked to your content and demands for more. One more catch here is that you will get more viewing hours. Outline the order of your videos using a flowchart or labels from where other videos could be accessed. Enlist collaborators. What is better than a YouTube creator? More YouTube creators, of course. When you make interactive and engaging content, you will get clout, and that clout will translate into collaborations. To grow on YouTube, collaborations are a must. Enlisting the help of other content creators will make your work easier and more enjoyable. You could make up a plot where other collaborators could play different characters, or it could be any challenge where other collaborators could take part in. The more the people in your video, the more interactive the video will be to your viewers. Make sure to pick the right collaborators, as they'll be sharing your views as well as the money you'll be paying them. If they re a big deal, there is no rocket science behind this. Meeting deadlines. Once you turn your interactive video into a collaboration, then the deadlines become even more important. Since everyone wanted to be working in the same space, you need to keep them on track and make sure they meet the right deadlines since it tests your video. Set strict deadlines for everyone involved to deliver the right video at the right time. Mismanagement of your collaborators could have disastrous results for you as well as your channel. Studying the interactive features. As told earlier, YouTube is much more than just a video streaming app. The potential it holds for you to put out your content is massive, but that is impossible to do until you know the possibilities that YouTube offers to you. Starting with YouTube and the completely free account option. Go through the YouTube help page to get an entire overview of YouTube's interactive features. Cards and end screens are something that will make your YouTube video stand out from the rest, so integrating them into your video is going to offer you an edge. Both cards and end screens allow publishers to create clickable callouts in a YouTube video. The interactive features. Callouts prompt viewers to watch more of your videos, which helps in increasing your watch time. And if people end up liking your content, then they'll certainly subscribe to your channel. These callouts also work on mobile devices and significantly upgrade to YouTube's old interactive feature known as annotations. End screens are made to appear at the end of a video. To fulfill the criteria of putting an end screen in your video must be over 25 seconds in length to use these features. To start, add the element button, and then you will see everything which you've able to insert into an end screen. Furthermore, if your viewer has made it to the end of your video, then there is a good chance that they will want to watch more of the content you produce so you can use end screens that feature videos or an entire playlist of yours. This incredible feature will help the user discover most of your content, and there is no reason you shouldn't put it into your videos. You can choose any video or playlist of your liking you think deserves to be at the end screen. Creating interactive videos on YouTube is something you will get to master over time. It may not seem easy at the start, but once you stick to it, you will all start getting better. That is a guarantee. Interactive videos will help you rack up subscribers quicker than just explanatory videos in which you are the only one doing everything. When your viewers connect with you, they will feel that a better relationship has been established with you, and so they will look to be with you in the longer run. That is all we had for today's video. If you haven't liked this video, then what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on any videos. See you next time in another interesting video. See you soon.